Hi everyone, it's Mark again, and I'm back on behalf of the Livestrong Virtual Challenge to help show you how you can live stream yourself during the virtual challenge. This can be done on Facebook so that you can show friends and family all the hard work that you're putting in and help earn their fundraising support. The simplest and most basic way to live stream yourself is simply using a webcam on your computer. This will be synced up through Facebook and can be done whether you are riding in Zwift or not. If you want to get advanced with your live stream, the second way is an all-out option that requires the use of a free broadcasting software. This software allows you to build elements into your personal production, such as your avatar riding in Zwift, a video feed of yourself on your trainer at home, and a professional boarder to tie it all together. This tutorial covers those details outlined in your participant guide, so we recommend watching this video while following along with the guide. As always, if you have any questions during the setup process, please do not hesitate to reach out to us by email and we will be happy to assist you. The most basic way to live stream yourself while riding indoors is to log into your Facebook once you are riding on event day. Go to your Facebook profile and click Live Video, add a title to the video, and then a personal note. Make sure to add your link to your Facebook fundraising page so that friends and family can donate. Make sure your profile and the post is set to public, and then click Go Live. The next option we will cover is the advanced live stream. Here's an example of what the end product will look like. We have the Zwift game in the background, Allison's video feed in the upper right corner, and the Livestrong Virtual Challenge border to frame it all out. The first step is to schedule a live stream by opening up your event guide and scrolling down to the advanced live stream page. Click the link to open Facebook's Live Producer. This will open a window in Facebook where we will be able to schedule your live stream. Make sure to click Schedule a Live Video, change the date. Facebook only lets you schedule up to 7 days in advance. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the next possible date. Select the time you want to go live. I'm going to choose 8:55 a.m. Central. We recommend scheduling it a few minutes before your Zwift ride starts and giving yourself time to log in and get set up so that you're ready to go. Make sure that you're sharing to your timeline, that your profile setting is set to public. Give your live video a title, and then add a personal note right in here. It's also a good place to insert your fundraising link so that people watching you ride can also donate. Make sure you click Use a Persistent Stream Key and then copy this stream key and paste it into a blank document to save for later. You will use this stream key when you set up the OBS software. We also suggest selecting an image of yourself riding wearing your Livestrong Challenge gear. This way the preview will show on the right hand side, just like we see Allison. Then all you have to do is click Schedule Live Video. Now we'll jump over to the Zwift and OBS software to show you how to set up the elements of the broadcast. To take part in the advanced live stream, you will need to have Zwift downloaded on your computer. You do not need to download Zwift to your computer if you are not using the advanced live stream option. If you just want to ride on event day, you can simply download Zwift to your smartphone, tablet, or Apple TV. For the advanced live stream though, make sure you have a Zwift account set up. Click Create Account, fill out the necessary information, and then hit Submit. Your new account will take you to this screen. Make sure you download Zwift to your computer. Click Download, select the device type you're downloading it to, and then follow the download instructions. Once you have Zwift downloaded, you want to make sure you download the OBS Studio software that you will use to set up your advanced live stream. This is a free software that you can download on the internet. Just visit obsproject.com/download. Select your operating system, click Download, and follow the normal download steps. Once you open up the OBS software, it's important to make sure you have all the settings correct. Click the Settings menu down on the bottom right-hand corner. I've already updated all the settings that are found in the ride guide in the output and video. One very important note though, you want to make sure the service is selected to Facebook Live, and this is where you paste in the stream key. If you don't do this, OBS will not send the live video to Facebook, and so no one will be able to watch you while you're writing. Now we want to set up our project, which will have all the different elements involved in the advanced live stream. First, let's retitle the scene down here. Simply right-click, rename, and we'll call it the Livestrong Virtual Challenge. Then we need to set up the sources within the scene. Think of these as the layers of the project, and we are going to work from the bottom up. So to start, we are going to set up our feed from Zwift. Click the plus. We're going to use window capture, title it Zwift, hit OK. Go ahead and click both of these boxes, hit OK. Now we need to go open the Zwift app. Once we open the Zwift app, we need to go ahead and pair the devices and find our way into a ride. Then we can return to OBS. Once the Zwift app is open and we are logged in, we'll go back to the OBS software, double-click Zwift, click Window, and we should see Zwift in the drop-down menu. If it doesn't appear, you may need to make sure that the Zwift app is actually on the same desktop screen as your OBS software. See, now it shows up. You can use the red frame around the Zwift app to resize it. We recommend trying to resize it so that it fills the entire screen and all the elements within Zwift are visible. Now that we have the Zwift feed in, we need to work on the next layer, which will be the webcam. Add a webcam by once again clicking the plus sign, select video capture device, title it webcam, click OK. Now we need to select the device. We'll use the built-in camera. Now we see Allison on screen. Change the preset to 320 by 240. Click OK. Then drag and drop the webcam box over to cover the Zwift map. Resize it roughly to be the size of the map, but we'll change this and tweak it once we get all the other elements added. The final source we have to set up is the Livestrong border, which will give your live stream a professional look and feel. In your event guide, under the Advanced Livestream Details, click the link for your Livestrong Virtual Challenge border and download the border to your computer. Return to OBS, click the plus sign once again. Now select Image. Title it Livestrong Border. Always make sure it's set to visible. Click OK. Now we need to browse. This will be in My Downloads. Open up the file and click OK. Just like the other elements, you'll need to resize the border to fit with your screen. Use the red edges to drag and resize as necessary. Once all your sources are set up and resized, go ahead to the source menu and lock each item in place. This way it won't move. OBS is a great software and saves the project along the way. There is no button for you to hit save. Now that all your sources are loaded and locked in, you can close out of OBS until event day. The next time you open up OBS, all your settings will show back up. On event day, we recommend you start getting OBS set up and logged into Zwift about 20 minutes before the ride starts. All your settings and presets should be saved. The only thing you may need to do is re-add the Zwift source. Once you've double-checked all your sources and everything looks good, go ahead and click Start Streaming. Keep in mind that even if you click Start Streaming early, the live stream will not show up in Facebook until the time you scheduled previously. When you have completed your ride and are ready to stop streaming, go to Facebook first and click Stop Streaming. Then come back into OBS and click Stop Streaming here.